At the wooded foothills of the Serra da Mantiqueira rises a shelter suspended among trees, light, and silence, a house that breathes the forest. Tikira House is a retreat shaped by the landscape, partly cantilevered, partly resting on an existing plateau, minimizing impact and conserving its surroundings. On the slopes of Campos do Jordão, this Brazilian modern house engages with a mild climate, native vegetation, and rolling terrain. From its very first design move, the goal was to preserve the local trees and use an existing plateau, avoiding unnecessary earthworks. Part of the volume projects over the natural slope, as if floating, maintaining the original topography and respecting the land. The main volume, topped by a gable roof and expansive glass facades, reaffirms the archetype of shelter while framing the landscape. Fixed cabinetry designed by the studio organizes functions and integrates spaces. The furniture combines contemporary Brazilian design with handcrafted pieces, conveying simplicity and comfort. Solid wood flooring dominates the social and intimate areas, enhancing a sense of coziness and visual continuity. In wet areas, bathrooms, laundry, and studio, large format porcelain tiles with a satin finish provide durability and a more neutral aesthetic. On the lateral wings, the suites are oriented for generous sunlight and cross-ventilation, reducing the need for artificial cooling. Natural ventilation and daylight are maximized through carefully studied solar orientation and the use of local materials. The roof carries photovoltaic panels, water heating is solar, and rainwater collection feeds reuse systems. Greywater treatment further improves the home's water efficiency. By preserving the vegetation and setting the volume on the existing plateau, the construction's footprint was kept to a minimum. Walking through the house reveals how light, shadow, textures, and volumes intertwine. The pergola filters shafts of light onto the floor, the cantilever casts changing shadows throughout the day, and visual transitions between blocks, courtyard, and landscape guide the gaze. Stairs, doors, openings, and corridors create sequences that gradually unfold the house. The U-shaped plan organizes the blocks with subtle offsets, creating visual tension and interior pathways between them. At the heart of this U, the courtyard opens to the valley, drawing the eye outward. The structure combines concrete foundations and a metal frame to achieve wide spans with visual lightness. The enclosures blend masonry and certified wood, giving the volume natural texture and warmth. An additional volume immersed in the forest houses the ceramic studio of the resident and her daughter, bringing creative work into direct contact with nature. Tikira House is not just a shelter, it is a poetic presence. It translates the rhythm of the forest into form, light, and texture, proposing an intimate, simple way of living deeply rooted in its place. An architecture that lives, breathes, and invites contemplation.